Good day, Internet. Today we're going to talk about the ProLock Blue Punch Machine for keys. More specifically, the BP201KW. We're going to explain why I prefer, we'll call it the Blue Punch Machine. And we're going to show you how to use it. Hope you enjoy. So this is our ProLock punch machine that makes keys. So this is our ProLock BP201. It cuts a quickset key. You can get them in Schlage. You can also get one for Corbin Rushland, many other keys. These key machines will only cut one style of brand. This one will do all quickset keys. Schlages will do all Schlage keys, just as an example. So this is how it works. You slide the slide all the way over to the left on this one, because it's a quickset. Schlage would be in the opposite direction. You loosen up the vise, you slide the key in the vise, then tighten up the vise. Now before you punch, you have to set the depth of each cut. After each punch, you need to change the depth to the depth that you want, but the slide will move it to the next cut automatically. This is strictly mechanical, there is no batteries. So the first cut will be a 2. Second cut will be a 4. The third cut will be a 6. Fourth cut will be a 3. And the final cut will be a 5. That's how it's done. You just loosen up the vise and slide the key out and your key is cut. On this key machine, there's a plate that shows you, let me rub it off here, the depths on a key blank, so you can measure the cuts each time so you can see what you cut it at. First cut is a 2, next cut's a 4, of course, next cut is a 6, next cut's a 3, and the final cut's a 5. So you can measure your cuts on a key so you can punch out a new code key. This plate shows you the different depths according to quickset. Sure, we have a more expensive key machine, but you can't bring it with you into a building when you're working on a building. The ProLock punch machine typically runs about anywhere from $1,000 to $1,100 these days. Who knows what it'll be tomorrow. This machine is highly accurate, it's really convenient, and it's very portable. Doesn't take electricity or batteries. I'm a huge fan. And a lot of times I will use it over the more expensive code cutting machine, simply because it's very easy to set up and get the key cut very quickly. So that's how it works. We at Fast Eddie's Keys Express purchased it at Doyle Security Products right here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Shout out for them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a fantastic day and thank you.